Artificial intelligence, AI, has been around for more than 50 years, and it is getting better each year. AI is more needed today than ever. If you wish to learn about AI, then you have landed on the correct website. Python is a general programming language but is very good for high-level technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Being certified in Python will distinguish you from others who are not. Fewer lines to code. When you are using AI, you have to write a lot of code for various algorithms. Ready-made libraries. Python also possesses a variety of useful tools, referred to as libraries, that make it easier to create AI and machine learning applications. Simple to comprehend, Python's rules and syntax are simple to grasp. You can do the easy things, such as combining two words, or more hard things, such as constructing a model of a thinking machine, with minimal effort. Works on any computer. Python runs on most operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Plenty of assistance available. Python has numerous users across the globe. In case you are having a problem or bugs in your program, there are numerous online forums and communities where individuals assist one another in debugging errors. AI tools in real jobs. AI is employed in nearly every sector of work to assist human beings in doing their job better and with less error. For instance, in human resources, HR, AI may assist with the following: reading and sorting resumes, hiring new employees. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the concept of developing computers and machines that can think and make decisions like human beings. Nowadays, AI is applied in various sectors including hospitals, robots, business and marketing, data analysis. The three artificial intelligence types. AI has three main components. 1. Artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. This is single-purpose AI that is capable of doing one single well-defined task, like voice assistants or movie recommenders. 2. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. This computer would be capable of learning and doing a tremendous amount of things, just like a human. We haven't constructed this yet. 3. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. This is a concept regarding AI getting smarter than human beings someday in the future. It has not yet arrived, but scientists are researching it. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI. This form of AI is also known as weak AI. It means that the AI is specifically designed to do one task very well. For instance, Alexa cannot think or act independently or beyond its programming, but it can tell you things, play music, and provide you with alarms. It is not smart or capable of emotions. Some other examples of narrow AI are Google search. Sophia the robot. Conclusion: machine learning enables computers to learn from data and solve real-world problems. Having knowledge of its types and how it operates is the beginning of crafting brilliant models. Practice and the proper tools are all it takes to begin an AI and machine learning journey.